In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneDrive backup in Windows 10 in just 5 minutes. If you're finding that your files are being automatically backed up to OneDrive and you prefer to manage your storage differently, or if this background process is consuming too much of your bandwidth, disabling this feature might be the right choice for you. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to locate the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray, which is typically found at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Keep in mind that you may need to click on the small arrow to reveal hidden icons. If the OneDrive icon isn't immediately visible, once you've found it, give that icon a click to proceed to the next step. Once the OneDrive menu pops up, search for the gear icon, which represents your settings. Click on this icon to open up the settings menu. It's a crucial step because this is where you can access all the options to customize your OneDrive experience. After clicking on the gear icon, a menu will appear where you need to select Settings. This will open up a comprehensive settings window with several tabs you'll want to familiarize yourself with. In today's context, we're particularly interested in the Sync and Backup tab. Click on this tab to proceed. In the Sync and Backup section, you'll find an option labeled Manage Backup. Click on this option. It's here where you can see which folders are currently being backed up by OneDrive. Initially, all the folders might be checked, indicating they're all set for backup. Here's where the customization comes into play. Uncheck the boxes next to the folders that you don't want to back up. Doing so will stop OneDrive from automatically backing these specific folders moving forward. This step is particularly handy if you have large files or folders you prefer to keep locally due to limited internet bandwidth or storage space on OneDrive. Once you have unchecked the folders you don't wish to back up, directly beneath this list there should be an option labeled Stop Backup. Click on Stop Backup to finalize the process for these folders. This action ensures that the selected folders will no longer be part of the OneDrive backup routine. Additionally, if you want more control over what gets uploaded, there's an option to turn off automatic saving for photos and screenshots. This feature can be especially useful if you frequently take screenshots or photographs and prefer to manage these files independently of OneDrive. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled the OneDrive backup for selected folders in Windows 10. If you ever want to re-enable the backups, simply follow these instructions in reverse. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. See you next time.